Alright, this is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Larson ceiling fan. This fan is from I don't know what year these fans were introduced in, but this one in particular is from 2011. At least that's when we bought it. It's an oil over bronze. It's installed in our guest room. Pardon the mess. But yeah, it's got the globe light fixture on it with LEDs in the light kit. Here's the top, down rod. It's got some informational stickers up there. Nothing too important though. Really needs to be cleaned very badly, but that's because this fan gets used regularly. And what I mean by that is it gets run very often, and we never really cleaned it, so it's got dust all over it. The light globe also is building some dust, but we just have to clean it, that's all. Still functions well though. It's got some dust up here too. But anyways, reversing switches right there. Pull chain and whatever. Alright. Let's demonstrate it now. Light first. As you can see, it works. It's got 2 LEDs in there, like I said. And here's the fan. We'll start up on low. Now the reason the fan hums really loudly is because it's operated by a dimmer switch. We plan on replacing that as soon as we can. It's quietest on low, as expected. Alright, medium. It's a little louder. Not by too much though. Blades are also really out of alignment. And now for high. The fan's not going to go much faster than this. For some reason this one's pretty slow. I don't know if the pull chain is messed up or if the capacitor's going weak in this one. I don't know. Doesn't go that fast though. Blows a breeze. You can definitely feel a breeze coming from it, but I would like it if it span a little faster. It wobbles a slight bit, but you can hardly notice. Here's the light again. Now I'll shut it down here. And I'll just let it stop. Anyways, guys, that is the 52-inch Hampton Bay Larson ceiling fan installed in the guest bedroom of my house. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching, and more videos to come.